Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to turn off auto capitalization in Excel and fix Excel automatically capitalizing first letters. This instantly stops the software from forcefully changing your lowercase text entry styles or abbreviations, keeping your data exactly the way you type it into the formula grid. First, open Microsoft Excel, look at the top left corner of the interface menu row, and click on File. Look at the absolute bottom of the left-hand navigation sidebar panel and click directly on Options. A detailed configuration window will pop up on your screen. Click on the Proofing tab located near the top of the sidebar list. Move your eyes to the very top section layout and click the large button explicitly headed AutoCorrect Options. A secondary properties box will open instantly. Locate the specific setting checkbox labeled Capitalize first letter of sentences. Click the tracking box to uncheck it and completely freeze the automatic sentence casing engine. While you are here, you can also uncheck Correct two initial capitals or capitalize names of days if those tracking options break your workflow layouts. Click the OK button at the bottom of the AutoCorrect window, then click OK again on the main configuration panel to lock your choices into the system core. And that's it! Your manual text entry data layout is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.